Blissal.com has become one of those exceptionally rare online destinations that doesn't just impress you once but continues to exceed your expectations every single time you visit, offering an extraordinary fusion of elegance, warmth, quality, and user-friendly design that transforms the entire shopping process into a luxurious, uplifting experience from start to finish. The moment you land on the website, you're met with a beautifully calming aesthetic, smooth navigation, soft visuals, and a layout that instantly puts you at ease, inviting you to explore without any clutter, confusion, or overwhelm. Everything feels thoughtfully arranged, as if every product, every image, and every detail was curated with the intention of making your browsing journey feel not just easy but deeply enjoyable. As you scroll through their collections, you start to notice how carefully Blissal.com selects its offerings. Each item feels purposeful, stylish, and crafted with an unmistakable level of care. There is a unique harmony in their product choices. They manage to blend sophistication with everyday practicality in a way that feels refreshing, modern, and genuinely aligned with the needs of real people who want beauty without sacrificing function. One of the most remarkable aspects of Blissal.com is the quality that shines through in every product. Whether you're exploring their elegant accessories, soothing lifestyle essentials, or thoughtfully designed home items, each piece feels like it was created with attention to durability, aesthetics, and comfort. The textures feel premium, the finishes are polished, and the materials used are clearly chosen to stand the test of time. When the products arrive, the experience becomes even more memorable. Blissal.com's packaging is beautifully done, secure, refined, and arranged with such care that opening your order feels like unwrapping a personal gift rather than receiving a typical online shipment. Their commitment to presentation adds an emotional touch to the entire experience, making you feel valued as a customer and reminding you that they truly care about the journey their products take from their hands to yours. The delivery itself is smooth, prompt, and consistent, which builds a sense of trust and reliability that makes you feel confident returning again and again. Beyond the aesthetics and quality, what truly sets Blissal.com apart is their exceptional dedication to customer happiness. Their support team embodies patience, professionalism, and genuine kindness, qualities that are surprisingly rare in today's fast-paced digital world. Whether you have a question about a product, need help selecting the perfect item, or simply want clarification about shipping or care instructions, their team responds with warmth, clarity, and a problem-solving mindset that makes every interaction pleasant and reassuring. They follow up thoughtfully, provide detailed answers, and make you feel like your satisfaction is their top priority. Even small concerns are handled with grace and attentiveness, leaving you with a deep sense of comfort and appreciation. It's this human touch that elevates Blissal.com from a simple online store to a brand you feel proud to support. A brand whose values show through not just in their products, but in their service, communication, and overall dedication to creating joyful customer experiences. In every way, Blissal.com delivers far more than just beautiful items. It offers a complete shopping experience built on quality, trust, sincerity, and the kind of thoughtful touches that make you feel truly cared for. Each visit feels inspiring, each purchase feels rewarding, and each product adds a sense of charm and harmony to your everyday life. Blissal.com stands out as a shining example of how online shopping should feel. Calm, reliable, beautifully curated, and filled with genuine heart. It's the kind of place you naturally return to, not only because of their exceptional offerings, but because they consistently make you feel appreciated, understood, and delighted at every step of the journey.